welcome back. This is Crypto Big Boss coming to you again with another exciting video. Today is the 2nd of December 2021, and yeah, we're sitting up here looking at Decentraland. We're on a Decentraland tirade right here as the Congress of the United States continues to fight with budget issues, looking at the debt ceiling and whatnot, all the things that happen with the I guess the insurrection and all the foolishness is going on in the world. We're sitting here going through a tirade with Decentraland and watching as the metaverses of the world begin to reach their maturity, and as Facebook, of course, began the kickoff of the unification of all the metaverses. But this video really is a solicitation, a question for those subscribers, and maybe you're new to the channel. If you're new, feel free to like, subscribe. But if you guys would like to actually go back to Decentraland, you know, we went to Decentraland one time, and that was interesting. But let me tell you, if you go out there to the casinos, let me tell you, it's an incredible thing. Okay, it really, really is. And I just think it would be interesting if you guys got to go and see the roulette tables and see how they've got the blackjack laid out. If that is something you would be interested in seeing, okay, let me know in the comments section. Decentraland definitely delivers on the promise of providing the kind of world that is immersive, and it's just something that really can't be ignored. So if you guys would be interested in seeing what's going on with Decentraland and casinos, leave something in the comments section. Just to give you an idea, if you're new here, let me see if I can find one of the casinos and let you get a look, a sneak peek. Maybe I can give you a little sneak peek of. Alrighty, we have found the casino. So we're gonna go here and we're gonna jump in and we're gonna take a look. So this is what it looks like, folks. The casino. Okay. Usually it takes a little bit of time for it to load up, but once it does, oh, it's on then. It's on. Look at this. You can see right here, this is a roulette table loading up. But like I said, if you guys are interested in checking this out, okay, please leave a comment in the comment section. If I get, let's say, let me see, if I can get 20 comments, yes, if I can get 20 folks to say, yes, I want to see real betting going on in Decentraland, I'll do a video and I'll take you guys along for real betting in Decentraland. How's that sound? All right, guys, please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll catch you on the next one.